tonight. We're going to talk about the opportunity to invest in MKG Enterprises Corporation. Who are we? Who is MKG Enterprises? MKG Enterprises was founded by myself in 2013. We were once a franchise, but then we actually decided to go independent, make our own decisions, and control our own destiny. Being a diversified financial service company, we provide consumer and commercial loans primarily to customers with limited access to consumer credit from banks, thrifts, credit cards, and lenders. Economic inequality is rising exponentially. The future success of the U.S. economy will hinge on our ability to invest in housing, healthcare, education, small business, and other vital services to ensure that the people and places that are being left out are able to share in a newly created wealth. We are pleased to be launching on Wefunder on March 15th. This is an opportunity to invest in world-changing organizations and invest in companies that you believe in. Our goal is to succeed in building the next alternative financial institution and become a certified community development financial institution. Community Development Financial Institutions, CDFIs, have led the charge in making these investments in America's poorest and most underserved neighborhoods since the early 1970s. Our vision is to be the Central Valley choice for innovative capital and collaborative leadership, promoting vibrant local communities and enhancing the quality of life, dedicated to delivering responsible, affordable lending to help low-income, low-wealth, and other disadvantaged people and communities join the economic mainstream. Our mission is to support low-income communities. Environmental corporate governance is to expand economic opportunities for underserved people and communities by supporting the growth and capacity, providing access to capital to disadvantaged minority businesses, housing, and community development ventures, increasing jobs, and build sustainable communities by offering flexible financial products and advisory services. Believe it or not, credit is the cornerstone of the U.S. economy, and access to affordable credit is central to unlocking upward mobility and opportunity. The FICO score was invented in 1956 and remains the standard for determining who is approved for credit and at what interest rate. While FICO is rarely the only input in a lending decision, most banks use simple rule-based systems that consider only a limited number of variables. Unfortunately, because of legacy credit systems fail to properly identify and quantify risks, millions of creditworthy individuals are left out of the system, and millions more pay too much to borrow money. Many borrowers have discovered that online lenders are not always the best options to fill the void left by traditional bank lenders. Predatory online lenders sometimes take advantage of these borrowers' urgent needs for capital, and their households end up paying the ultimate price for lack of financial access to quality loans. The opportunity. There is a growing segment of investors that are demanding that their capital be invested for both financial and social returns. This is likely to lead to the fundamental change in the way people invest. In the last few years, we have seen an explosion of money invested in ESG, environmental, social, and governance, products that have a social conscience but a financial and social return. We have invented a proprietary patent-pending financial product that unlocks upward mobility and allows a consumer to be debt-free and also make a one-time payment. This also can be used for investing, or it also can be created as a savings plan, or it can be used as a payment towards car notes, or possibly other mechanisms that will be used that an individual will pay on a monthly basis. However, over the next 30 years, some $30 to $40 trillion of wealth is expected to be transferred from boomers to the next generation, predominantly the millennials. This is reinforced by the recognition that inequality in our society is at its worst point in decades, with data showing that 10% of the adult population owns 88% of the world's wealth, and that the desire on the part of the next generation to see their capital used to transform some of the societal ills. You can begin by investing in world-changing organizations and invest in companies you believe in. Together, we can restore the American dream in which all people and communities have access to the investment, capital, and financial services they need to prosper. But those of you that are unaware of what we've done, we've invented a leading mobile tax. We are a leading mobile tax refund tech company that offers a software as a service. We believe you can file your taxes anywhere and get your max